Good morning students, welcome to Maths class standard 4. Today we will going to our next chapter, chapter 12, how heavy, how light. जो heavy and light है मैं फर्स्ट पीरियड जो है वो डिजिटल में दिखा देती हूँ ताकि आपका कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो, क्योंकि हम जिसके पास वर्कबुक नहीं है, डिजिटल में जो चैप्टर है हमारा वो वर्ड टू वर्ड है, एकदम सेम है टेक्स्ट बुक के रिलेटेड। तो आप यहाँ पे देख लोगे तो आपको सारा जो मेथड है वो क्लियरली समझ में आ जाएगा। तो आज हम चलते हैं चैप्टर 12 पे, हाउ हैवी हाउ लाइट। कंटिन्यू करते हैं, ओके।
Chapter 12. How heavy, how light. Introduction. Hale and Manu were shifting house. They loaded all their things on a horse cart. There were many things like a water tank, 5 sacks of wheat, 3 tables, a cupboard, 4 chairs, 2 mattresses, 3 sacks of rice, a bamboo ladder, some pots and pans. When they were ready to move, the horse refused to start. They wondered why. Their father said that the horse was not well and was not able to pull a load heavier than 700 kg. Oh, but what would be the total weight of this load? They asked. Father gave them some idea of the weight of each item. Look at the table given here. 1 sack of wheat weighs 100 kg. The weight of 1 sack of rice is 35 kg. The water tank weighs 50 kg. The weight of the cupboard is 70 kg. The weight of 1 table is 10 kg. 1 chair weighs 5 kg. The weight of 1 mattress is 20 kg. The bamboo ladder weighs 10 kg. And the weight of the pots and pans is 10 kg. Find out the total weight they had loaded on the cart. To find the total weight, we will add the weights of all the items. 5 sacks of wheat each weigh 100 kg. So that is equal to 100 into 5, which is equal to 500. Hence, the weight of 5 sacks of wheat is 500 kg. 3 sacks of rice of 35 kg each is equal to 35 into 3. That is equal to 105. So the weight of 3 sacks of rice is 105 kg. The weight of the water tank is 50 kg. The weight of the cupboard is 70 kg. The weight of tables is 10 kg. So the total weight of 3 tables will be 30 kg. The weight of 1 chair is 5 kg. Therefore, the weight of 4 chairs will be 5 into 4, that is equal to 20 kg. The weight of 1 mattress is 20 kg. So the weight of 2 mattresses will be 20 into 2, that is equal to 40 kg. The weight of the bamboo ladder is 10 kg. The weight of the pots and pans is also 10 kg. Therefore, the total weight is equal to 500 plus 105 plus 50 plus 17 plus 13 plus 20 plus 14 plus 10 plus 10, that is equal to 835. Thus, the total weight of 835 kg is loaded in the cart. Now they decided to remove a few things from the cart. Which things should be removed so that the weight of the load is not more than 700 kg? The total weight is 835 kg. We need to make it 700. To find the excess weight, we will subtract 700 from 835. Therefore, 835 minus 700 is equal to 135. So, 135 kg weight is to be removed from the cart. The weight of 3 tables is 30 kg and the weight of 3 sacks of rice is 105 kg. The sum of 105 and 30 is 135 kg, which we need to remove. The things which are loaded in the cart are big in size and also very heavy. To measure the weight of such big and heavy things, we need a big balance. But Hale and Manu wanted to make their own balance. They collected a few things, a stick, 2 lids, and also a thick thread. They made a balance like this. Self-study. You also make your own balance. Write down how you made it. Also draw a picture of your balance in the box below. Activity. Manu and Hale put a pencil and a geometry box in the 2 pans of the balance. Which pan will go down? The pan with geometry box will go down since its weight is more than that of the pencil. The picture drawn here shows the same. What is heavier? Make pairs of different things and use the balance to decide which is heavier. First, guess which things will take the pan down and then check with your balance. For example, toothbrush and toothpaste. Which one of these two is heavier? If we guess, the weight of the toothpaste is more than the weight of the toothbrush. So the pan with the toothpaste will go down. Let's verify. On verification, we find that the weight of the toothpaste is more. So our guess is correct. Guess what is heavier, a glass or a spoon? Glass is heavier, so it will take the pan down. Come on, let's verify. On verification, we find that the glass is heavier. So again, our guess is correct. Between the dictionary and a notebook, if we guess, the dictionary is heavier than the notebook. Since the weight of the dictionary is more, it will take the pan down. Let's verify it. We find the weight of the dictionary is more, and so our guess is correct. What is the heaviest? Make groups of 3 things. For example, eraser, ball and paper. Use the balance to arrange them in order of their weights. The lightest, the one with in between weight, the heaviest. We have to complete the table with at least 5 examples. 1. A napkin, a scarf and a shawl. The lightest is napkin. Scarf has in between weight and the shawl is the heaviest. Similarly, a grain, a date and a potato. Among these 3, grain is the lightest, then comes the date and the potato is the heaviest. A pumpkin, an orange and a coconut. The lightest is orange, then coconut, and the pumpkin is the heaviest among the 3. Papaya, a bottle and a lemon. Among these 3, the bottle is the lightest, the lemon has the in-between weight and the papaya is the heaviest. Can you find your own weight using this balance? No, because this type of balance can only be used to weigh the things. Making weights. Activity. To make weights. Material required. A balance. Weights, a cake of soap, plastic bags, sand and rubber bands. Procedure. Do this activity in pairs. Take a cake of soap. Its weight is printed on its wrapper. We will use this soap cake to make our own different weights. The weight of the soap is 50 grams. Now take a small plastic bag. Place it in one pan of the balance and the soap in the other pan. Slowly add sand to the plastic bag till both the pans are balanced. Close the plastic bag with a rubber band or a thread like this. Now, stick a strip of paper and write 50 grams on it. If you put the soap and the weight we just made together in the pan, how many grams will both these weigh? If we add 50 and 50, we get 100 grams. In the same manner, we can make the weights 150 grams, 200 grams and 250 grams. We can use soaps of different weights for this. Also, we can make weights of 500 grams, 1000 grams and 750 grams. Self-study. Use your weights to weigh different things and write in your notebook. Practice. Some pictures are shown here. Which pan of the balance will go down? Show by drawing an arrow. 1. In one pan, the weights shown are 25 grams and 40 grams. The total weight is 65 grams. In the second pan, the weights are 35 gram and 40 gram. The total weight is 75 gram. Between these two pans, the pan with 75 gram is heavier, so it will go down. 2. In this picture, one pan has 75 gram and 75 gram, that is total 150 gram. The second pan has 140 gram and 35 gram, that is 175 gram in all. The second pan has more weight and hence it will go down. 3. In the first pan, there are two weights of 105 gram and 200 gram. Total weight 305 gram. In the second pan, we have 250 gram and 150 gram. That is total 400 gram. Among these two, the pan with 400 gram is heavier, so the second pan will go down. 4. In one pan of the fourth picture, there is a weight of 700 gram, 245 gram and more weight of 55 gram. That is, this pan has a weight of 1000 gram and the second pan has a total weight of 845 gram. Between these two pans, the pan with 1000 gram is heavier, so it will go down. 5. Here, one pan has 20 gram and 196 gram. That is, the total weight is 216 gram. The second pan has 197 gram. So the first pan is heavier and hence it will go down. 6. In this picture, one pan has the weights 75 gram and 36 gram. That is, total weight in this pan is 111 gram. The second pan has 163 gram. The weight in the second pan is more. Hence, the second pan will go down. Is the weight on any of the pans equal to 1 kilogram? Mark it. Yes. Among all the pans, the pan on the left side in the fourth picture has the weights equal to 1 kilogram. How many grams are there in 1 kilogram? There are 1000 grams in 1 kilogram. Grams and kilograms. We have to write the names of 5 things we usually buy. In the table, there are 2 columns. In one column, we have to write the names of the things we buy in gram. And in the other column, we will write the names of the things we buy in kilogram. We usually buy almonds, cashew nuts, cardamom, raisins, baking soda in gram. Salt, sugar, potatoes, rice, wheat are bought in kilogram. Which is heavier? Mohan's boss asked, which is heavier, 1 kilogram cotton or 1 kilogram watermelon? 1 kilogram cotton and 1 kilogram watermelon, both are equal. Ouch! Ah! Mohan says, sir, she threw a 1 kg watermelon at me. Reena says, he threw a 1 kilogram pillow of cotton. So I threw a 1 kilogram watermelon. Yesterday you said that the weight of 1 kg cotton and 1 kg watermelon is equal. The weights are the same. But the cotton is lighter and watermelon is heavy. Dinesh went shopping. Dinesh went to a shop and bought some things. His younger brother cut the part of the bill where the weights were written. Guess and write the weight of each thing he bought in gram or kilogram. The part of the bill is given here. The weight of rice is 5. We buy rice in kilogram, so write kilogram next to it. The weight of sugar is 1, which also is bought in kilogram, so write kilogram next to 1. The weight of mustard seeds is given to be 10. We buy it in gram, so we will write gram next to it. The weight of wheat is 3. We buy it in kilogram, so write kilogram next to it. The weight of dal is 500, which we have bought in gram, so write gram next to it. The weight of tea is 250. We buy it in gram, so write gram next to it. The weight of chocolate is 25. We buy it in gram, so write gram next to it. Car and tractor. Look here. Ritu is weighing her toys. She wants to know if a tractor is heavier than her car. How would you help her to find out quickly? On one pan of the balance, put the car, and in the other pan, the tractor, and then weigh. The pan which goes down has the thing heavier than the other. The weight of the tractor is more than the weight of the car. Guess which is the heaviest? A real car, a bus, or a tractor? The bus is the heaviest. Ritu says, if I put 2 cars, will the tractor still be heavier? No. Elephant's weight. Let's listen to an interesting story now. Once a king had a pain in his stomach. The king said, "Oh no, I cannot bear this pain. Call any palace doctor immediately." But none of the palace doctors could cure his pain. Then the king said, "Anyone who cures my pain will get gold equal to the weight of an elephant." On hearing this, the doctors from all over the country came. But only Dr. Vedika could cure him. The king said, "Oh, great! My pain is gone. Thank you, Dr. Vedika." Dr. Vedika said, "So can I have my reward now, sir?" But the greedy king did not want to give her the gold. So he thought of a trick. The king said, "Okay, first find the weight of an elephant and then I'll give you that much gold." Vedika was unhappy when she reached home. She told her daughter the whole story. Vedika said, "How can I weigh an elephant? Where will I get such a big balance?" Her daughter said, "Don't worry, Ma. I have an idea. Tell the king to arrange an elephant and a big boat." Next morning, Dr. Vedika invited the king near the river. The king came with an elephant and a big boat. The king says, "I think she is a fool. How will she weigh an elephant with a boat?" Vedika's daughter went into the river. She marked on the boat how much it sank in the river. Then she asked them to bring the elephant into the boat. The boat sank deeper. So she marked the new water level on the boat. Thus, Dr. Vedika's daughter indirectly found out the weight of the elephant. Vedika's daughter marked the water level on the boat when it was empty, and then the level when the elephant boarded the boat. The difference between these two levels indicate the weight of the elephant. Vedika's daughter called the king and asked him to fill the boat with gold till it sinks to the mark when the elephant was on the boat. Thus, Vedika's clever daughter got the gold equal to the elephant's weight from the king.
ये चैप्टर में यहीं पे स्टॉप कर रही हूँ। यहाँ पे एक स्टोरी दी हुई थी कि वेट कैसे मेजर कर सकते हैं। आप घर में एक्टिविटी सिंपल सा करना है, स्केल या और कुछ, तो वो आप मेजर कर सकते हो। तो जो आपके घर में अगर कुछ कोई बॉटल का ढक्कन है, कैप है, तो उसमें 3 होल करके, जैसे यहाँ पे आपको चैप्टर में दिखाया वैसे एक मेजरमेंट आपको करना है, बनाना है। घर पे एक्टिविटी करनी है, वो मेजरमेंट करने के लिए फिर आपको वेट कैसे पता चलेगा। तो आपके घर में अगर कोई भी सिंपल सा है, आप देखना कि शैम्पू की बॉटल है या सिंपल सी छोटी सी विक्स की बॉटल होगी, तो उसके ऊपर ग्राम लिखा होगा कि कितने ग्राम है, उसका वेट लिखा ही होता है। तो आप उसके अकॉर्डिंग के विक्स की बॉटल है वो 20 ग्राम की है। अदरवाइज आपके कोई थिंग्स होती तो उसके ऊपर भी वेट लिखा होता है। शैम्पू की बॉटल होती है, कोई मसाले का, गरम मसाले का पैकेट होगा तो उसके ऊपर भी वेट लिखा होगा। तो हम उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप बैलेंस कर सकते हो कि आपके पेंसिल का या कंपास का वेट कितना है। क्योंकि आप इतना हैवी वेट आप खुद घर पे नहीं बना सकते हो, तो छोटी छोटी चीज़ें आप वेट करना सीख सकते हो। और कितने ग्राम का आपका पेंसिल है या स्केल है वो आप कर सकते हो इजीली मेजर। ओके, तो घर पे आपको ये एक्टिविटी करनी है कि अपने आप एक मेजर बनाना है, मेजर वेट का बनाना है। ओके, तो आप कोई भी बॉटल का कैप लेके उसे 3 होल बना के फिर ऊपर एक स्टिक लेके वो बना सकते हो और वेट कर सकते हो। ओके, इसी चैप्टर का अभी नेक्स्ट पीरियड में हम ब्लैक बोर्ड पे सम्स कंटिन्यू करेंगे और यहाँ पे जो थोड़ा सा बाकी रह गया है वो भी हम नेक्स्ट पीरियड में डिजिटल में कंटिन्यू कर लेंगे। सो थैंक यू सो मच।